In this video, I'm going to show you how to add icon stickers to your videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the stickers tab. Under the icon category, browse and select your preferred sticker. Tap the add button to add it to the track. Drag the sticker edges to match the part of the video where you want them to appear. Resize and reposition the sticker in the previous screen. Now to add more stickers, simply repeat the process. Select additional stickers, add them to the track, reposition it in the previous screen, and drag its edges to match the video's duration. Once you're done adding stickers, let's add animation. Select a sticker layer on the timeline, go to the toolbar, and tap the animation option. Here, select between in, out, or loop animations depending on the effect you want. Pick your favorite animation preset. Repeat the process for the rest of the stickers. Once you're done, preview your video. Once you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your final project. And that's it! You've successfully added icon stickers in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!